Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. I have two steam locomotives going around carrying flatbed cars with truck trailers on it. Here comes the 246, looking good. Here comes the other steam locomotive. Everything's looking great. 246 going through the train bridge and come around the bend. And if you would please, those who are watching these videos, could you please go to YouTube and put down Charlie's for apostrophe S Trains 9169 and subscribe to me, please. I appreciate it. And I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you for watching.